Hello Capricorns, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of August 2020. And let's see quickly how are the vibrations of the month for you and what is the to start with the theme of the month card. I'll make you meet your fairy godmother first and see what is the message she is giving you, and accordingly we will flip the cards for each and every week of August and see what are the events which are planned for you and what are the important vibrations I am getting from the universe from you. Okay, so let's quickly start with your fairy godmother, and she says new beginnings, Capricorn. So here is your fairy godmother. See, she looks so serene, so beautiful, so peaceful. She's telling you that there are new beginnings which are going to happen in your life. Okay, and it could be a birth of a child in the family. It could be a birth of a new wonderful idea, a business idea. It can be a birth of a new you will make changes in yourself. So there are new changes, new beginnings, new things coming your way in the month of August, Capricorn. And protect your and nurture your ideas. So the new birth of ideas, ideologies and new person you are emerging in the month of August, you need to nurture that well, you need to take care of that well, very well. And if the ideas are wonderful and you see some scope of growth in those ideas, then I would suggest you that take those seriously and work towards that with a lot of planning, because new things are going to happen with you in the month of August 2020, Capricorn. So be ready with those beginnings and for those beginnings. Okay, moving ahead, in the very first week of your month, the second week, okay, the third week here, and the fourth week of the month. Okay, vibrations suggest a lot of things. Since it is a generic reading, different areas of this reading will be applicable to different people. There will be people who will be able to resonate with this reading 100% also. Okay, so let's go ahead. The very first week talks about a person, a lady who's a single mother, who is who will try to intervene in your life with her own desires, and she would want to be a part of your life, your family, and she craves to be a part of your family. So this lady, this person, this man, this single nurturing energy is trying to be a part of your life. Okay, this is applicable for few of you, and there are desires of hers which will impact your family life, Capricorn. So be aware of such vibration. I'm suggesting one more thing here. Your finances are going to be your focus in the month of August 2020. So first week is very very focused on earning money, earning materialistic pleasures, earning materialistic gains are something which your focus is going to be. You will be very very focused on money, and few of the people who are very they're possessive about their kids. I think your focus will either be the money or your kids for that matter. So this is the energy which tells me about that. This month start is something which will ask you a lot of hard work. It will ask you to work a lot more harder than what have you have done in past. That's one thing. Second, the second week is something wherein for few of you looks like that you will meet and come across people who will come to you for some help. So people will approach you for some kind of a help, considering or maybe assuming that you have a lot of wealth with you and you are you're flourishing in your career, in your life. But then I will only suggest that be balanced in terms of helping people, balance out your own life, balance out your own finances before you go ahead and then help people here, because second week's energies is all about helping, but it also suggests you to find a balance when it comes to you're helping people. Do not just do things blindly, I will suggest you that. Also in the second week you will emerge like a leader, so people will come to you for your advice, considering that you have those multiple skills of managing multiple people at the same time, and your management skills, leadership skills are pretty good. So those are something people will try to encash on in the second week of August, Capricorn. One more thing which I'll suggest you is that people who are seeking relationship, people who are seeking love in their life, they will meet people who are could be a Aries energy. That's what I see. So Aries is something, the person you will be dealing with, you'll be dealing with an Aries. Also, this person will be financially sound, so financial crisis I don't see in the cards, and that's the reason I don't see it here. Okay. Also, if I actually associate this reading with the third week of your life, then I will suggest you to be away from anything unethical in life, like unethical relationships, a third party relationship where you only seek pleasures. So be away from pleasure based relationships. Also, I will suggest you to be away from any kind of a medication regular if you are taking and you're dependent on that. Try to see and evaluate and analyze, are you getting too much dependent on that? Because that is not necessary. You need to get out of that routine if you're doing that already from a health perspective, Capricorn. Your life is going to get through a change in the third week. So there's a change planned in the third week. Considering and understanding the cards placement, I will advise you, or maybe I what I see here is that people, single people who are seeking commitment in relationships for a very long time, and they thought that the commitment will change their life, that event is happening in the very third week. So commitment is coming your way in the third week. People who are not committed yet, or maybe they are craving or seeking commitment very desperately, third week is very promising week from that perspective. Fourth week is a little worrying week from in terms of your mental and physical health. So take care of your health very well in the fourth week. Because of the mental stress, the stress you will be in, you might have some communication related disputes with people around you. So maybe you would not want to listen to people, you or other people would not want to listen to you. So that balance of communication is something you will have to maintain. If you remember, I had shown you this cards a few seconds back, and I told you that balancing out things is something which is very important in your life. So balance out. If you don't listen to the other person's perspective, and then you will keep on giving your own idea, your own perspective about a problem or an issue, that will never be resolved. So it is important that you listen to other people's perspective also. In relationships, there could be a breakup coming for few of you, like there's a break of relationship coming. If it was an unethical relationship, that is going to get you in some kind of a stress, some kind of a pain situation, Capricorn. And this is why I would suggest you to just hold on to yourself. Now you are in July right now, just hold yourself back, otherwise by end of the month of August you might have problems and troubles in your life, in your paradise. So that's what I would suggest you. Placement of card is very good. Financially it looks nice, but then last week looks like a little troublesome when it comes to your finances, your mental health and your physical health. So there you need to be a little careful about yourself. Communication related issues can happen in a relationship, so try to be calm with your partner. Do not grill them little too much on small issues. That's what I will suggest you. Also in relationships, I would say that if you are in unethical relationships and the relationships which do not have any future, and you very well know that, it will be better to be away from those people and such relationships, because that's very important. Otherwise you will, again I will say, find trouble and invite trouble for yourself. Second week is anyways a little positive week. Third week can also bring some changes in your life. The changes coming your way, one phase of your life is getting over and you will be entering in another phase of life very soon, Capricorn. So there is one cycle getting ended and the other cycle is coming your way in the third week of August. I want to seek some clarification also for you in the cards, because there are a couple of cards which I would like to clarify further. And let me do that for you so that you have more clear answers coming your way and you're more careful in your decision making. So there were two cards I wanted to clarify, and other than that I wanted to clarify there are two more cards which actually ask me to clarify it further. Okay, all right, so let's quickly see that. So devil had appeared in your reading. I want to see what is that. Okay, and okay, I will elaborate everything, every message for you. I am just doing that right now. And okay, so if I look at the messages, the devil is coming your way, but then when he is coming, he or she is coming your way, it will make you uh, you yourself will realize that what you were doing is wrong, and then since that person might be very pressurizing on you, the external relationship I'm talking about, the person might be blackmailing you, or then pushing you, putting pressure on you, but then in this third week you are very aggressive, and you will turn out to be a stronger person in front of them, and you will actually finally end this relationship in the third week of August. So there's an ending happening to the devil's energy in the third week, which is a very positive energy, I must say. It is a very courageous thing you will be doing in the third week. So the devil is not going to hurt you anymore. Whatever hurt, whatever damage it could do you, it has already done that till now. So you are getting out of that devilish energy in the third week. That is wonderful. The changes are happening in terms of your intellectual levels. When I say there's a change happening, wheel of fortune is coming your way. There's a phase which is getting over in life. That change is happening in the way you think, Capricorn. It is a mental change happening. Mental changes happen when you are either you will actually get yourself cluttered in some thoughts, or maybe you will that mental clarity is something which is blocking in this third week. So maybe the decision you have taken about this person, this decision making can get you into a little bit of stress, a stressful situation, because I will tell you why I see that. So the continuation of card talks like this. Though when the ace of sword emerges from upside, then it talks about clearing all the mental clutters, getting detached from all the unnecessary strings what you have attached yourself to. That's one. But then here you are getting a little troubled after this, and after that the following card is this. So your stress level will be a little higher in the last week of August. That's what I feel. Also, this stress level could be because of your relationship sector, dear Capricorn. And there, this relationship sector, since it is getting into a little of choice making kind of a scenario, you will detach yourself from financial things also. So some confused energies are coming your way. You're getting confused in the month of August a little bit. That is starting from the third week for few of you only. Okay. From the communication problem perspective, I think it will be better for you to not to talk anything or talk about anything in the fit of anger, because then you're going to repent whatever you have said, and you will look back and you will repent your decision. So that's something you should actually control your tongue when you are talking to people. Okay, because it can spoil a lot of things, Capricorn. Communication, if I have to be precise in your reading, communication is something you need to be careful about. Financial help, balance out things and help people only if you have enough of money with you. Any unemotional thing, any pleasure related relationships, if you are into, break them. Initially it will be problem creating kind of a thing for you, but then later on it will be beneficial for you, Capricorn. So you need to do that. First week is talking about a lot of financial focus and a lot of hard work. So the first week is talking about a lot of hard work, asking for a hard work from you. That is also very much clear from your cards, Capricorn. And I am checking your universe message, which says the more in energy and intentions you bring to faith and you be fearless, the more free you will feel. So get the fear out of your mind, Capricorn, and that's when move ahead in life. That's when you will feel all the more energized in life, if you get the fear out of your mind. Okay. And the energy of crystal support you and help you with your present situation. You can when it comes to relationships, I would say that follow buy a rose quartz, follow that, or any crystal or a healing gemstone which helps in terms of relationships. You need to keep that with you so that it improves your relationship sector and your relationship with everyone. That's very important for you. Okay, so you can do that. And from your relationship sector, I am taking one message for you from the universe, and see what is it that is happening in the month of August for you specifically. Okay, the message says you were born with that is quality. So there was a confidence quality in you There's a quality of being and looking very attractive in you. Attraction could be anything, the way you talk, the way you present yourself. So those are the qualities you already have with you in yourself. So try to encash those qualities, and with those qualities try to improve your relationship with people around you. Okay, this is your reading for the month of August 2020, Capricorn. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Reach me on 8448901791 for your personalized reading. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and my website address is www.blossomlifetarot.com. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye and God bless you.